I don't know if we'll be able to review today, but we'll be able to trade. We got 4 minutes until equities open. I really don't know if anything's coming today as far as economic calendar. Let's check. I feel like I missed some this morning or something. Yeah, there was some stuff that came out at 7:30 Central this morning, which I missed. Looks like everything. Continuing claims, initial claims, they were lower than forecasted. GDP deflator was higher than expected, pretty much in line with consensus. GDP third estimate was over, so GDP is too high, I guess, or it's higher than we estimated. Which has a lot of reports coming out tomorrow. Durable orders, personal income. Yeah, so tomorrow I need to be at the screens at 7:30 Central. A lot of reports coming out at 8:30 Eastern tomorrow. Okay, let's look at the. Oh man, look at that. That was right when that report came out. Just dropped like a stone. So market's still too hot, I guess, for regulators. Maybe that's why it dumped. It's already down 87 points. Wow, right off of 85s. Very cool. Look at that. Bounced off 80s. Failed. Failed at threes. Tried again at 92s and then just got smushed. Huh, looks like it dumped a little bit before that. Anyway, there's 2 minutes until they open. I think dump's gonna continue, although it's extremely oversold now. Might do one of these, right? Little pull-offs. I think that's likely. That was 46. This was 85s. Oh man, I love 85s. I think it's worth it to try a long. You can even hold it into the open. Yeah, 85s are nice. Could easily dump and go lower, sure. But it is 85, so what's going on here? Looks like I'm wrong. I'll take my lumps. 1 minute till the open. Let's see what happens. My thinking is still that we're going to see a recovery of at least 25 points, 50 points before we keep dumping. But my idea is that this 85 level is going to break. So let's see. If we start to shoot down at the open, I'm going to get in short. Just got to be calm and collected. And the lesson from the last few days is that I haven't been holding my winners very long. So today I will try to hold them longer. 10 seconds until the open. See what we got here. Okay, down it goes. Let's add another one to the short side. Oh, this is bad. Another one to the short side added. Oh, come on. Oh, go, go, go. Hmm. Oh man, look at this pump now. Oh my god. Is he gonna blast through? It's hard to tell. Oh, oh, dang. just took on 3 contracts and I'm already down 550. So I'm obviously doing way too much. Let's try 1 contract at a time here. Of course, as soon as I need the, was that 10 points? How much was that? So I want to play an 85 bounce and see if it actually gets down here. Okay, let's try it. We're gonna hold it over 80. Okay, we got 2. See if we get a little push here. Nice. Whoa. Okay, that actually worked. Jesus. So I was anticipating an 85 break, but I didn't set up any orders, unfortunately. But they would have been 20 in the money. It's doing under 75 short. Let's add to it. See if we stay under 70. Nice. Got out of 1. Got out of the other one. 73 in the money. Made all that shit back. Once again, got out really early when this is just dropping like a stone. $10. Go for 10 points, you know? $10. Let's go for 10. I'm just gonna leave the got out at 45s instead of 37s. That's pretty bad. Let's get long or short under 50s. Wow, just got stopped out for 100, I think. Probably still around 96 in the money on the day. Got over 50s just now. Let's try under 50. It's actually not looking too hot. Just gonna get out. Got short again 49s. I'm gonna get short again 47s. Might just be getting screwed here. Wow. Oh, look how oversold it is. Man. I'll try going long instead. No luck. Going short again. Hmm. There we go. Hmm. That was okay, I guess. Still down, I feel like. Yeah. Let's get short under 40s. With a lot. This is actually like, again, one of the bigger trades I have on. Why do I always do that? I'm like scaling up way too early. 40s have not been doing what I expect them to do. It's more like 45s, really. In 3 now. See if we can get down to 10s. Come on, little guy. There you go. Doesn't go higher than 35. Let's just say 37. Oop, excuse me. There goes 120 bucks. Dang. All right, I'm not going to look at that. I think we're going to bounce up 45s. I really don't think 40s are usually respected. Although it looks like they are. Looks like they might be, right? Still doing a lot of trades. Okay, we're right at 40 again. That stopped out that time. 45. Oh, damn. Two quick losers there. I think I'm red again. Down 200. So that maybe this is the bounce then. 25s. That is a good bounce spot. Just try one long here. I'll add to it. Ugh. It's like I'm always behind right now. In too short. Got out of one because I'm a pansy. '80's not very much, is it? This is also not very much. There we go. It's a decent little slice. 235, not too bad. I think I'm up on the day now. Looks like 25 is gonna break, right? It did break and we got a little crappy scalp in there. Everybody wins. Let's this under 25, under 20. 15s is actually a really good spot for stuff to bounce. Of course, I couldn't wait. If I could, it would have been another. Oh my gosh. I just had to wait. Just had to do nothing. Instead, I got out early again for a tiny, tiny, tiny winner. Man, that would have been another 20 points. Let's get short under 15s. Looks pretty depleted. Ugh, picked the wrong time to get in, of course. Oh, it's going to be a big stop out, 150. Damn. The problem is this could be a bounce up, right? And that's what I don't want to see. Yeah, and that's like exactly what's happening right now. I can feel myself a little bit flustered right now, so I'm kind of tilting. Look at that PNL. Jeez. I am tilting for sure. I never get in five otherwise. Oh my gosh. Got in way too many again. Got burned. I'm being a little bit of a cowboy today. Oh my god. Down 630. And it's more or less bouncing here. Wow. I traded really bad today. Oh my god. Oh my god, I let myself get licked. I didn't even realize that would have been 1,000. Wow, that was 12 minutes and basically wiped out half the gains of the last week or so. So pretty dangerous stuff what I just did. Basically a reset day because $1,000 and you're out of the combine, $1,000 down. So yeah, once again trying to do too much, and now it's possible I'm even correct. Man, 22s. That was the spot. And I wasn't patient enough to wait for an actual level. I just kept getting in crappy chase levels because of how well it's been coming down. So that's unfortunate. See, first trade was just before the open. Just look at my performance real quick. Look at these big losers, man. I was throwing on five at a time to try and it was definitely revenge trading here at the end. Wow. Started off the day with one, two, three, four, five, six, seven losers in a row. Not a good start. And then managed to dig myself out of the hole and get positive. But just a wishy-washy day all over the place. And there it goes. So really just needed more patience, wait for a proper pullback to at least the quarter, at least the 25s. 22s to fours would have been almost 20 points there. Getting more divergence here to the downside, although this is still super oversold. So let's see. Had some longs that hurt me. This was what got me in the $600 hole. One decent winner, although I got out pretty early with it. Got out at 88s. I was expecting an 85 bounce. That's why I had these guys. Got these longs and made. The error I made was I didn't have flips. I didn't have short entries here for when it broke 85, so that would have been a really nice trade. And could have held that could have practiced holding that for a few minutes. Just 2 minutes would have had me down here around the 50 level, which would have been amazing. Um, I kept looking for it to, yeah, so once again, I got out here, 62s, got back in at 50s, 12 points I left on the table, and then kept trying to short on this way up, and then tried to long at the very end here, and then got short again. Made 10 points. So yeah, a lot of these trades are 1-to-1, but the problem is that, oh man, just had to be patient. Easy trading day, just had to be really patient today. Ah. So yeah, the right here I wasn't really listening to myself. Here I was trying shorts with really tight stops, despite it being, I gotta set even bigger psych levels for myself when I'm taking these shorts like this. But the big problem was getting in and getting out super tight without just thinking about getting in at like 25s or something like that. Waiting until it goes over 20s and then when it flushes under, get back in. That would have been another 20 points, 30 points, and would have been good on the day, but instead I got really screwed by getting in five like a crazy person. I got five in five short. It absolutely screwed me over because when you're that deep and something goes against you just a little bit, you are screwed. So let's see, we've got a 90 bounce, 92 bounce. I bet you it'll bounce off 85s. Such a common place for a bounce. What is this? This is, yeah, 80s, 85s, or I'm gonna say 65s. Bouncing off 92s. So, okay, the big mistake for today was scaling into more than like two or three, scaled into five, especially when it was working against me, which was really silly. I should only be scaling into stuff when uh, trades are working in my favor. Anytime you scale when you're losing money, you're just going to lose even more money. I mean, usually, um, in my experience, you should be, if you're hitting it and you're making money, that's when you should be scaling up. But here I did it out of frustration and lost, let's see, how much was that? Oh my God. I had one, two, three, four big losers in the span of 1 minute, 2 minutes. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Mm, with the fees, we never got up over 235. Okay, well, I will enter all this information in my journal. I can't get it up on the stream today for whatever reason. Um, just goes blank, it looks like. So I'll have to figure that out today. But I'll post the Trader Grow link in the description of this video. Obviously, today was a red day. I'm still up on the run because for the last 6 days or so, I think I was up, yeah, I was up like 16, 1700, and now I'm only up 600. So I lost a solid grand, but grand is my hard stop, and uh, it's actually like a stop that I should never hit. So this is actually a really bad day for me in terms of performance. And I don't usually have these kinds of days. Usually never. So it's pretty strange that I had to blow up. But I will work very hard to make sure it doesn't happen again. Super trendy stuff. This looks positively fun. So you had a 92 bounce, an O bounce, but I still think it's coming down. Anyway, all right, so I'm gonna go, contemplate my life choices and my trading decisions for the day. And uh, yeah, once again, I need to take a ton of notes, but once again, didn't really hold any of these too long, which is unfortunate. Um, okay, I will see you guys tomorrow for Friday trading, which should be surprisingly volatile because of all the reports tomorrow. Okay, stay safe. Don't trade how I traded today, but